This IKEA Burgeons mobile phone or tablet holder has a nice design for a modest price. But there is a problem as the two slots don't fit all devices, especially if you are using a protective cover which you don't wish to remove. A relative asked me if I could increase the size of the larger slot so their mobile phone could lean back slightly as it should do, rather than stand vertically. I thought of two solutions. The first one is available to most people, and that is to use a medium grade wood rasp file. I'll be using a half round file as I only want to remove material from one face. Where my finger is, the wood is very thin and we don't want the holder to fracture, so I recommend you file the wood on the opposite face. Place the file in parallel to the face we need to trim. I would recommend removing just under 0.5 of a millimeter and testing how the phone fits once in a while and removing more material if required. This method is a bit laborious as the bamboo wood is extremely hard, but I decided to go an easier route. This other method is only available to those of you who have a table saw or know someone with one. Another option is to ask someone to help you at a local shared woodworking shop space. First I measure the angle of the slot and then hit the reverse button on this measuring tool. This angle needs to be subtracted from 90 to get the correct blade angle for the table saw. So 90 minus 73.4 equals 16.6, which I will round down to 16.5 degrees. Now to set the blade to the correct height. This should be set just under the height of the slot's left side in this image. The width of the fine blade I am using is about 1 mm. I initially tried shaving off 0.5 of a millimeter. As you can see, the slot is still tight. Now I shave off another 0.5 mm, and I'll also smooth out the base of those cuts with some sandpaper. A quick test and all looks good. If you have any comments or questions, please put them below. If the video was useful, please consider giving it a like or subscribing to my channel. Many thanks.